The DJI Mini 4K is the ultimate entry-level drone for those wanting cinematic aerial shots without a massive learning curve. It packs a 3-axis gimbal and 4K camera into a frame under 249 grams, avoiding extra registration hurdles. Check the link in the description for the best price. Here is how this drone performs across key real-world flight scenarios. The video quality is excellent, capturing crisp detail with consistent stabilization for your travel vlogs. The controls are incredibly forgiving, allowing new pilots to gain confidence in the air quite rapidly. You can count on this unit to maintain a steady hover even when the wind picks up outdoors. It is not designed for advanced subject tracking, so you will want to manually control your shots. The flight experience is incredibly stable for a budget unit, though you should avoid complex tracking. Analyzing how the features align with the current retail price point, you are getting a massive amount of high-end technology for a very reasonable entry-level investment. Flying with a trusted brand like this provides peace of mind that the hardware will perform reliably. It remains a standout choice because it consistently outpaces competitors in stabilization and build quality. The value proposition is clear, as you get DJI's proven flight technology at a very competitive. A look at potential drawbacks and setup considerations before your purchase. The drone feels very well constructed, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of frequent travel use. Keep in mind that you will need to follow specific steps to install the official flight application. The core flight systems are incredibly dependable, which helps keep your investment safe in the sky. Most risks are minor, but be prepared for a slightly different app setup than your typical. If you are looking for your first serious camera drone, this is a top-tier choice. It excels at delivering stable, professional-looking footage while staying portable enough for any trip. While you will need to fly cautiously due to the lack of obstacle sensors, the trade-off is worth the high-quality results.